welcome to another episode of Kale Yes, McKinley's very own cooking channel. And today I'm going to showcase to you guys a little something different. This is something I call assembly meals. So this will require no cooking. This is great for finals week or when you have a lot of exams and you just don't have time to cook. I'm going to show you how you can pull things out of your fridge or out of the pantry so that way you can still build a balanced meal to put on your plate that's going to provide you long-lasting energy for those extra long study sessions. So first I want to teach you guys what a balanced meal looks like. So I'm looking for multiple food groups to be showing up on my plate. So the different food groups, there's 5 of them, is fruits, vegetables, grains, protein, and dairy. And I want to see 3 to 4 food groups at every single meal. We're going to kind of try to step away from grabbing out of the same food category that we tend to grab out of when we're hungry, when we need energy, and that can be sometimes the grains category. So we might go to the pantry and we might find popcorn and pretzels and chips and just keep eating those things when we don't feel like cooking. But I want to show you how to grab out of multiple food groups so that way you're eating a more nutritious meal. So let's get started. Wash all the produce and then set aside. Go ahead and place your wrap down on a plate. Add your deli meat to the center. Peel a cucumber and cut into strips. Add that to your sandwich. Cut up a yellow bell pepper into strips and add that to the sandwich. Grab some spinach and add on top. Place a cheese slice on top. Add a sauce. My personal favorite is honey mustard. Wrap it up. Cut up leftover pepper to enjoy on the side. Go ahead and peel the carrot. Cut off the ends. Go ahead and slice your apple and crack 2 hard-boiled eggs for the protein. I personally love putting some everything bagel seasoning on top of my hard-boiled eggs. We're gonna add our cheese slice for our dairy, wheat thin crackers for the grain. Thanks for sticking around for another episode of Kale Yes. I hope you guys try out these assembly meals for when you're just feeling like you don't have time to cook in the kitchen. It's minimal cleanup, it is fast, it's nutritious, and it's way better for you than going to a fast food restaurant or ordering food in. Super balanced, you're gonna see a lot of fruits and vegetables on your plate, which is gonna help you with those long study sessions. Please be sure if you are struggling with anything with food, nutrition, be sure to book a one-on-one appointment with a McKinley dietitian. But if you're wanting to gain some extra skills in the kitchen, you can sign up for a cooking class at the Instructional Kitchen at Campus Recreation.